2, 3.
Cigars and guns and beer is what I like to hear, 'cause you're interesting. Yeah, we're interested. All about your kid and your bitch ex-wife who grabbed your knife and slashed your 84 lifted Jeep, 'cause we're interested. Yeah, you're interesting. In your crooked smile, your skin's not well, and we're pretty sure you're on your way to hell. But hey, you're swell. You're interesting. We're interested. Your shoes don't match, your hair's a mess, and what is with the way you dress? You're not a catch, this ain't the Wild West. But you're interesting. Wait, you're interesting? My boobs, my legs and ass, you're talking through your glass. You think I'm interesting, your voice is slurred, you reek of booze, and tonight you say, I can't lose, and tomorrow you won't know who's the dude who posted the video of you getting nude, falling down the stairs, tripped on your own underwear, and I wish I cared, but it's not interesting.
Been there.
I'm not interested.
Done that.
Hey, you're fat.